I could just go inside and prepay, but I don't like to do that. Yep, good morning. Got the truck warming up. I think we're gonna have a nice little sunrise this morning. And we are heading to the east, so yeah, it looks pretty nice. So we're probably only gonna drive about 300 miles today. Yeah, probably gonna have to swipe the debit card one more time. I know, yeah, I know. I could just go inside and prepay, but I don't like to do that. Check that fuel mileage. Alright, what are we looking at here? 13 gallons plus 37 and a half. Pull ahead a little bit here. Alright, 13 point, we're just going to call that 13.07 plus 37.66, 57 and 3/4 of a gallon. No, 50 and 3/4 of a gallon. Did I just say that? 331. Yeah, 331 divided by 50. Well, 6.6. Yeah, 331 miles. Okay, all right. We'll 331.3 divided by 50 and 3/4. Yeah, that's 6.5. I guess that ain't too bad. 6.5. All right. Now we have to go about, I'm going to say it's about 40 miles straight east and then 10 miles north to the asphalt plant. So I'm going to set the camera back on the window camera holder deal, and we'll just time lapse on the way to the plant, and I'll pick it up when we get there. All right, see ya. So I don't know how that time lapse turned out, but we are at the plant now. The next move is I gotta pull up to the rack. We're gonna get out, get my diesel fuel sprayer, spray the trailer a little bit, and we'll roll up there and get loaded. What a nice day though. Nice sunny day. Diesel fuel sprayer. Well, it's a garden sprayer. See, home and garden. Fill it up with diesel fuel. Climb up here. Spray a little bit of diesel fuel in the trailer. It doesn't take a whole lot of diesel fuel either. Usually if you just soak it up real good for the first round and just give it a little spray for the next couple rounds, soak it up real good for that last round, and you'll be doing all right then. Spray a little bit more in the front. Put all this stuff back. Pull up here, give them your info. Asphalt plant operators are in that little office right there. So sit here, wait for the green light. 4 silos right here. There's strobe lights under each silo. It appears that silo 2 is the one that we need to go to. So what I do is I stop with that cable tarp pulley right in line with the post for the silo. Silo doors open up and it drops 10 tons for each drop. So wait here, we'll get one more drop. After you get loaded, you roll up here and you get your ticket out of this little printer box. See? Right there. 20.68 tons. Cover it up with your electric tarp. So you got this little remote here. So that's gonna roll all the way back and then we'll hit the road. Oh yeah. Oh, we got everybody here. I might just back up and move over and apply the parking brake for now. Alright, so one thing you gotta do, you're dumping in a paver. You gotta keep the air ride suspension up and use your high lift tailgate. You gotta keep the suspension up, otherwise the anti-lock brakes will start chirping the tires on the ground. Sometimes these short trails can be a little tricky to back up. Ready to dump, so get this electric tarp remote. Roll your tarp forward just a little bit, right about there. Yep. You don't want that high lift tailgate to raise up and start ripping the tarp cables apart. It's a good idea to get that ready to go when you're next up in line. And when it's our turn, we're gonna back up to the paver and start dumping her out. I'll try to do this the best I can to where I can get some good footage of what's going on here. This paver has a nice wide hopper, so it's real easy to back up and get lined up and keep an eye out for the laborers on the ground. Gauge PTO, pop your tailgate, set your trailer brakes, start lifting her up. Just watch for the signals. There we go. Now we got the trailer holding up. This guy's gonna go for our ticket. Load number 13. There you go. Pretty good, how are you? Good. So what I do then is I release the trailer brake, Johnny bar, and I just start using the foot brake. Keep an eye on the mirrors, make sure you're not bumping into the hopper. Paver, it just kind of rolls ahead and pushes you forward. You see we're only going, I don't know, fucking half mile per hour, but it's a nice easy job. This is like 1/4 of a mile of city street here, so it's pretty laid back. Things get kind of interesting when you're out on the interstate resurfacing roads and there's cars whizzing by at 50 miles per hour and everything. Okay, we're empty. Disengage PTO, bring the trailer down. So we'll pull up here just right around the corner. We have to get out and make sure the trailer is clean, and then we'll lock up the tailgate and hit the road. Well, here we are at the end of the day. Most likely the last load. Load number 3 for me. Load number 37 total. Total tons today, 742. 42. 76 degrees. I'm still wearing my hoodie because I'm cool like that.
Have fun, Margo. Yeah, it was ready there.